This is the brief on the hidden language of native speakers. While language learners stress so much over getting exact dictionary definitions, native speakers are actually communicating through an entirely different, invisible set of rules that completely change the message. Think of literal words as just the tip of the iceberg. There is a massive amount of meaning hiding just below the surface. First, let's talk about the literal trap. Learners mistakenly put all their focus purely on literal meanings. But really, why do we treat spoken conversation like a strict math equation when humans actually communicate in art and emotion? Because we get so obsessed with solving this math, we completely miss the actual delivery of the message, which brings us directly to what native speakers are doing instead. Second, you've got to understand the sound of silence. Native speakers rely heavily on tone of voice and strategic pauses rather than just vocabulary to make their point. It's kind of like the invisible punctuation of spoken English. Just a tiny half-second hesitation before saying the word yes completely changes it from total agreement to serious doubt. But auditory cues are only half the battle. Finally, we have to look at the visual and emotional core. We rely so much on facial reactions and emotional nuance to carry the true weight and intent of a conversation. Seriously, if you are only listening to the words and ignoring the speaker's face, are you really understanding the conversation at all? True fluency isn't just about memorizing the dictionary. It's about learning to read the silence, the expressions, and the feeling.